Thinking about selling your home? Here are some tips to streamline the process and set yourself up for success. Consider getting a pre-sale home inspection to address any issues beforehand and increase buyer confidence. Declutter and organize your space to make it appear more spacious and inviting. Consider packing up personal items for storage to allow potential buyers to envision themselves living there. If there are any significant repairs or replacements needed, gather estimates for the costs, even if you don't plan on completing them yourself. This information can be valuable for buyers when determining if they can afford the home. Collect all warranties, guarantees, and user manuals for appliances in the house to provide to the buyer, showcasing the care and maintenance of your property. Boost your curb appeal by tidying up the exterior of your home. This includes maintaining the lawn, trimming bushes, ensuring the address is visible, and enhancing the walkway's appearance. If you have any questions or need assistance with the home selling process, don't hesitate to reach out to us via call, text, or email. We're here to help you every step of the way.